The top for us tonight, Nueces County looking at securing medical services for their Calderon clinic in Robstown in the form of a work contract between them and Amistad Health.
Yes, the contract is still in its preliminary stages and is set to go before Commissioners Court meeting tomorrow. Our Josh Maxwell joins us live now. Josh, what have you learned tonight?
Rudy, Leslie, as we've reported, the termination of service between the City of Corpus Christi and Nueces County Public Health District will go into effect on September 30th, meaning on October 4th, the county will be solely responsible for services outside of the Corpus Christi area, which, if this contract does pass, it will help extend those medical resources to those in rural counties.
People can travel to, and it's not such a hardship on them.
Nueces County Judge Connie Scott referring to the Calderon Medical Clinic in Robstown, the building a much-needed resource for those in rural parts of Nueces County, something that could be bolstered if a contract with the Amistad Community Health Center comes to fruition.
They do physicals for back to school. It's some of the things that they will provide and hope to provide if we work out all the kinks in the contracts and everyone signs on a dotted line.
Amistad Health Center CEO Eric Baggerman says that if they are contracted to work with the county, they can help expand the services to new heights.
In this proposal we have is even to be able to help to get medications to people, because some people, oh, I've got diabetes, but I can't afford it. We're going to try to work through that too to make sure that that is not a barrier.
Baggerman says that if the contract is secured, the building will be able to provide outreach to smaller communities such as
Agua Dulce and Aransas Pass and Banquetti and Bishop and really help get to where the people are, partner with schools.
Xavier Gonzalez is the Director of Health and Wellness for Nueces County. He says that Amistad's reputation speaks for itself when it comes to servicing the community.
Amistad already has a history of providing primary care clinical services, so this would be adding to what they do from a public health standpoint.
Something Gonzalez says is essential to reaching those in most need.
As their major business model is to provide primary care services, so when it comes to prevention, they would then be able to have a good pathway to connecting people to medical services.
Now, Baggerman did tell me that if everything is solidified in Commissioners Court tomorrow, they can start looking at potentially hiring and getting people on board. Back to you.